Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I of course am Christian, and this is my friend
Onna.
Today we're making Korean bulgogi. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you always know when we're putting new stuff, which is like always or often. First things first, we want to make our marinade for our bulgogi. It includes these ingredients. Korean sake is delicious, and you should try it if you never have. And we're going to be trying it quite a bit. And it's also in our marinade. So we're going to throw all of the ingredients in here. Also, we're going to do some shots. We will just go ahead and get started.
Start with clean hands.
Yep, we washed our hands. Hands are clean. You know how to use a knife?
Yes. Ish.
Okay, let's see what you got. Let's see where I believe in you. I'm
I
definitely.
wasn't expecting that.
You can do it that way, yes. And then you just want to just make small
tiny,
movements over. Yeah, real small.
Okay.
It's okay. Yep, there you go.
Honestly, I'm no cook.
That's okay. That's good.
Sandwiches.
That's good. I'm glad to hear that because you're about to really get a crash course today. This is an Asian pear. That I'm peeling the dangerous way because it's how my grandma always peeled fruit. One piece. It's pretty good. So my grandma always said was like the thing. It was like if you can cut it in one piece, you're doing a good job. So we're just gonna chop this up because that's going into our marinade too.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do regular onion. So 2 of these are for us, and there's 2 tablespoons in the recipe. Do you like sake?
I've actually never had it.
Oh shit, you might hate it. Some people aren't a fan of fermented rice wine, so it's kind of a thing.
They got me with the kombucha.
Oh, see, I love kombucha.
They tricked me. He didn't tell me what it was until after it was in my mouth. I was like,
oh no, that's what she said.
He
He didn't tell me what it was, so he put it in my mouth. That's good. That's a good one. All right, let's do this, and then we will continue with our marinade.
That goes down easier than tequila.
Right? No, it's great. And I do know that in Korean tradition, you're not supposed to pour your own sake. So we'll observe that from now on.
Okay.
I'll pour yours. You'll pour mine.
That's how it works.
Yeah. Cool. All right. I like extra garlic. Literally, I never follow any recipes recommendation for garlic. I always like double or triple it. So.
First time actually putting garlic in something like that.
This is gonna be a lot of firsts for you.
This really is. I'm telling you, I make sandwiches. I can make chili. I can make some bomb chili.
Get it.
Yo,
There you go. That's it. Nice.
Take one for the team. For good luck.
Literally. Do some sesame oil, sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds.
I'll let you do the seeds. Shake it out. Shake. Okay, all right. Keep it in the bowl, though. Shake it out, but keep it. There you go. That's it. Okay, all right. That's perfect.
All right.
Need 4 teaspoons of sugar. It does smell good, though. Very Asian. Pour that in here.
Yep, we're gonna do that.
Cool. We're gonna just do that. We're gonna put the meats in there. Toss it around in the marinade. Will you open the fridge for me?
Yes.
Thank you. And we are going to let that marinate for a couple of hours. And we will see you after that. It's my rice cooker. So let's do 4 cups of this.
Okay. This is like a regular cup?
Yeah. Now we want to rinse some of the starch off our rice so it's kind of sticky. So I'll let you cold water. Go to the right. Yep, you just put it in the cooker. I'm gonna put some rice vinegar in there.
Rice vinegar?
Mm-hmm.
What I do?
Flavor. And then some sugar. That will help with the sticky. Just let it go, play some more games, do some more shots, have a good time.
Woo!
To Anna.
To me.
Ooh. Oh, see that sticky?
I didn't know. Like this, I thought you could buy sticky rice.
No.
Couldn't find out. You just give it a little wash.
Right? Get all that starch off. You saw it all coming off. Okay. So we're going to leave that closed.
Get it extra sticky.
We're going to turn the grill on and get that going because bulgogi is a grilled meat. And then we're going to throw our meats on, make our marinade, and eat it because that's literally the best part. So
What we're waiting for.
that's what we came for. So, all right, let's do the grill. Boom. We're going to make the bulgogi sauce. We got soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil, bean paste, and sugar. And we're going to put sake, green onion, some oil, and some cayenne pepper. Let's go cook some meats.
See, it's down in Texas.
Yeah.
So,
Hush, Pip. Grab some meat.
oh yeah.
Alright, I think that's everything.
Like, hey, just know you know, I'm gonna be a little tasty.
Just need you to know that real quick.
One of my friends does this. I'm doing it with her.
We're gonna put our beans in there, get it all saucy. Saucy. We're going to throw some of our sticky rice in a bowl.
I didn't know you make sticky rice that just rinse it off. I thought it was like a special type of rice.
Well, it is medium grain rice. It's not just like any grain of rice.
The more you know when you cook with your friends.
That's true. Alright, you go ahead and make yours. Good meat, good rice, good company, good time. Oh,
The rice is actually sticky, yes. It's confirmed.
well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you have already subscribed and told all your friends to subscribe, and that you like our show every time because you like to watch it. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching Cook with My Dumb Friends.